Choosing the sports course that's right for you is a big deal.
So, how do you make sure you find the perfect team for you?
At Portobello Institute, I found the perfect mix of theory and practice.
I have my own business, but I can juggle work and study. Portobello have this thing called blended learning. It's a combination of working online and in person. It's perfect.
The tutors have been there and done it, so trust me, they know what they're talking about and they'll teach you exactly what you need to know.
We have access to a great network from professional clubs to FIFA.
And the staff are always there to give us the support we need to reach our peak performance. So our careers can get off to a flying start.
Whether you want to get on track to being a PE teacher,
A physio,
Or a sports therapist, like me.
Portobello can take you from your very first steps in higher education
all the way to a master's degree.
Sport at Portobello.
We could be the right team for you.